So we knew that with lockdown restrictions easing, that economic data would improve, but it would also translate into a spike in coronavirus cases. When it comes to last week's main items, the key was U.S. non-farm payrolls. In this case, once again, surprising to the upside, much better than expected, 4.8 million reading. Its previous figure revised higher, unemployment rate down to 11.1%. And when it comes to the employment to population ratio, last time around 53%, it's come back up to above 54%. So it's climbing back up, still has quite a way to go to the pre-coronavirus 61% level, which in turn is still below what we saw back in 2000. It was around 63 to 64%. The one item that disappointed was average hourly earnings. And when it comes to manufacturing and services PMIs last week, they were mostly better than expected, in some cases showing expansion. But we didn't get U.S. services PMI on Friday because it was a holiday, and that means that ISM and markets reading will be released later today. On Tuesday, we're going to get the Reserve Bank of Australia's monetary policy announcement. Expectations are for its key rate to remain on hold at 0.25%. We also have Swiss foreign currency reserves a couple months ago topping 800 billion. The bulk of those reserves, euro and dollar. And out of the US, we get JOLTS job openings data, as well as API's all inventories reading, which last week, not that far off from EIA's more encompassing estimate showing a 7.2 million deficit. On Thursday, we got some Chinese data, consumer price and producer price index figures. CPI as of late continued to expand, but PPI contracting for the past 4 consecutive readings. And when it comes to US data, we've got the usual Thursday unemployment claims. Last time around, still above a million, and yes, still worse than expected. And when it comes to Friday, those of you trading the Canadian dollar, look out because we've got Canadian employment data. Out of the US, we'll have PPI figures expected to expand. We've got Baker Hughes active U.S. active oil rig count once again. I mean, it just hasn't stopped dropping once again to 185 from 188 prior. For those of you trading the euro, be on the lookout. There is going to be a meeting of eurozone finance ministers. They have yet to agree on a multi-year budget as well as a coronavirus recovery fund ahead of a crucial summit next week. And for those of you on the trade front, be on the lookout for any updates on the U.S.-China front after the sanctions bill passes the Senate.